I thought I would explain real quick what caused me to create these beautiful stencils. And I particularly love this one because it has all of my favorite words in it. And if you turn it upside down, you can see more. That's just a little surprise. So you have a few. So I'm exploring in this stencil the beautiful quality and abstract nature of letters and the importance of words. And these are all positive words that relate to us as artists and how we feel about our paintings. So my kind of way of putting a blessing on all artists in the world. So let me talk to you a little bit about how what I intend to do with this stencil in particular when I created it. So sometimes I'll have a journal. This one isn't particularly large, but I do have larger ones. And it's really long. And I wanted a way to get really big words across this whole area. And occasionally that will come up. So the theme of this book is going to be dream. So I thought it was perfect because that word is very prominent on here. And so I'm also going to talk a little bit about integration and how I'm going to finish this journal. And then I'll give you a quick video at the end to show you. So what I was thinking about, so sometimes you can take and do these journals and you can take a pencil and you can trace them and use them that way, or you can use them as a mask. And a third option is you can use them as a stamp if you work very quickly. I've had some luck with that. But today we're going to talk about a mask. I'm going to use this as a mask, and I'm going to show you how I finish these gellin journals. You've got this wild pattern over here and completely white over here. So I want to integrate and make this feel like it goes together somehow. And there's several ways you can do it. One would be shape. And if there was one of my stencils in there, maybe I could do that. But pretty sure that I used some yarn on that print. So these are gel prints that I have collaged on a piece of paper and created a journal out of them. Anyway, so I'm going to take the other option, which would be, so shape is one, repeating shapes and patterns. Line quality, possibly, that's an option later. And color, could use the same colors and it will start to feel right. So I believe I'm going to do this so that if I want to later, I can go in here and paint or collage something. So I want to keep it rather light. We'll see if that works. So I know that I used turquoise phthalo, and I used probably phthalo blue-green shade, but I'm going to go ahead and use the anthraquinone blue because it's a darker navy. And over here, I'm going to put the dioxazine purple because it has like a blue-violet purple. I've got several of these rollers because you don't want them to get wet and you don't want the color to be too muddy.